Hello, my friends. We are going to create the class myWorker that extends the worker. So we have added a dependency for the work manager inside the Gradle, and we are going to use this worker. So I'll create a myWorker class, and this class will do the job in the background. So extends worker from Android X, Alt plus Enter, Android X.work.worker. I will create a tag, private, static, final, string, tag, my worker. My worker, this is the constructor, Alt plus Enter to import the constructor. This is its own constructor, and Alt plus Insert to override the method do work. Okay, I need to override that do work method. Log.v tag performing, here is the message, performing long running task. Telling us to wait, and result.success, returning the result.success. This is simply the myWorker class. Let's go to the main activity and start building our codes and combining the codes with each other.